Hello friends, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, we are going to make a coin which will be a complete scam. Okay. First I will explain to you how it will work. So suppose you are the owner and you have made this coin. So once you create it, you will create its liquidity. Liquidity pool means the place from where other people can also buy or sell this coin. So if you have seen my old videos, then you will know that we first create the coin and then put it in the liquidity pool so that it is available for everyone to buy. So what will we do in this token? First, you will create the coin. You will be its owner. You will add it to the liquidity pool and you can buy it from there or add liquidity from there. You can do it freely at any moment. Now let's come to the user's problem. That is, what can the person who buys your coin do? So suppose there is a user, then he can buy the coin from the liquidity pool, but cannot sell the coin in the liquidity pool. In short, he can only buy the coin. He will not be able to sell it to anyone. Okay? Once he buys the coin, he can send that coin only to you. He cannot send that coin to anyone else. Or he cannot sell that coin or transfer that coin anywhere else except to you. So if you are the owner, then you can add liquidity to it, buy it, sell it, transfer it. But if you are a user, then you can only buy and you can only transfer to the owner. You cannot sell it on any other wallet. So this video is completely for educational purpose, so I will use it on test BNB only. That means I will not use it on mainnet. To use it on mainnet, you don't have to do anything. You have to do the exact same thing which I'm doing here. So I hope this process is clear to you, that you cannot sell the user. You cannot transfer it to anyone else. You can only transfer it to you. So let's start. What it means is deployment. So first of all, you come on the ED of Remix Ethereum. You will create a total new file on it. Okay. So let's take scam. Okay, you have to write .sol because this is the code of solid D. So we will write 100 and after that we will copy this particular code here. Okay, now scam coins will come here. Its name will be okay. This will be its symbol and this will be our number of coins. 100 coins will be created. Okay, if there is no need to change anything else in it, then overall it will do this. Okay, if anyone can transfer, then only the owner can do it and no one else can transfer it. So you will copy paste this code here. You will compile it. Okay, after compiling, you will be here with the injected MetaMask. Okay, now the only difference will be that the test I am doing is on BNB. Okay, so I have test BNB here. If you use a new account in which you have original bylines, then it will run on the mainnet. There is no difference more than this. So if I choose test BNB here, let's say I have chosen test BNB. If I choose mainnet here, then it will run on the mainnet. But right now, there is no currency in my mainnet on this wallet. It will cost you approximately $2 to $3 to deploy. And after that, you can add as much liquidity as you want. So this is the only difference. So for now, I will put it on testnet. Okay, so right now the character is on testnet. So this is the only change from it. So once I use injected MetaMask here, it will automatically take that account. If you have 2 or 3 accounts, then you can choose another account in which you have applied it. Estimated gas is also done. Now you will deploy it for deployment. Now here it will ask for permission. I will confirm. Now here it is showing creation of token pending. And the token here has been created. Now if we need this token, we can see it on testnet. So copy and testnet BNB. Okay, this is okay. So if we press it here, then our contact address will be displayed. So in this way, our contracted address, means the token has been deployed and its contracted address is showing here. It will come with contracted address written. So this is our contracted address. Now, first of all, if you will check whether this token was created or not, then we will open our wallet again, go to tokens, import tokens here, and paste the contract address that we had copied here. Here it is showing token symbol scam, token dismal 10, And after clicking next, we will see that I had created 100 tokens. So 100 token is being created here and I have imported it. Now 100 token has come here with the name scam. Now you understand by paying a little concentration here. For your better understanding, I have used deploy and I have written it so that you can understand that this is the owner. So I will change his name further so that things are clear as to which wallet belongs to the owner. Okay, so this is the owner's wallet. So from this, you are getting to know that this is the owner's wallet. Now we will go to another wallet so that you can understand how the transfer activity is being performed. So this is the user's wallet. We are working on this test on PNB only. We have also chosen test here, and this is the user's wallet. You can see it here. So I will simply copy the wallet address of the user's wallet and come to my owner's wallet. This is the owner's wallet because the owner can do all his transactions. If you see here, the owner can do all the transactions. So now we are from the owner's wallet. This is the owner's wallet. We came to this. We said, brother, I want to send to this address. Let's say I have to send only 10. Okay. And I continued and confirmed. Okay. So now this reading has been confirmed. Now I will copy this address again because I will tell you why. Okay. I copied this contact address. Now I went to this one. This is the user. Please pay attention. This is the user. The token is not showing here because we have not imported it. We sent 10 tokens from there. So I will simply enter the contract address of that token here. And by clicking next, I will import 10 tokens. So now you see I have received 10 scam tokens in the user's wallet. From where did I send those tokens? Where were they from? I sent those tokens from here from the owner's wallet. So if you look in the owner's wallet, there are 90 tokens left. Okay. And 10 tokens have arrived in the user's wallet. Now we will see to whom the user can transfer the token. So here I have two accounts. This is user. I will change this account and name it user2. Then you will get clarity. I will give you the user2 page. Okay. By calling it user2, I have chosen this wallet, this account. Right now we have two accounts here. You user, I will turn it on. It is very important for you to have clarity. So now you see that the 10 scam tokens that I transferred from the owner's account, that is from this account, have been received by user 1 here. Now I will copy the address of user 2. Okay. I copied the address of user 2 and went to user 1 and I will try to transfer it. Okay. I wrote continue here, but as I am coming here, it is not allowing me to continue. It means that a user cannot transfer to another user. This user cannot transfer to anyone else. If he can transfer, it can only transfer to the owner. So I will copy the owner's address and coming here, I will say that user brother, transfer this scam token to the owner. So I can transfer to the owner. See, I wrote 5 here and now I can continue here. I confirm by clicking continue. Okay. So now from here, this transition is happening if you pay attention here. So it is going from user to owner and not from user to any other user. The activity failed here. The reason for this could be something else. Let's check it once. Okay. Total cost fee -5. No, let's try once again. Or maybe we will try selling more tokens. This time we will send the maximum. Paste in your address copy, okay? Maximum. Why is the balance showing only 5? It was transferred. Well, it has been transferred. If you see here, user 1 had 10. Now it has become 5, meaning it has been transferred to the owner. But now if we see here, the owner also has 95. But if we want to transfer to user 2, I copied the address of user 2 from here, then came to user 1. I went to scam. I selected here, and as soon as I pasted. Okay, I can do anything. I can write 5 as maximum. Okay, write anything. I cannot click continue here. So this is how scammers do scam. Now in this, I have done these things on CashNet. If you want to try, then you can do these things on normal network also. The code will remain the same. Only when you are deploying, then you will have to choose this thing. So I hope you understood this. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.